Imagine you've been saving dollars 100 every month for a rainy day. But what happens when the money in your savings doesn't buy as much as it used to? Let's unravel how inflation silently eats away at your hard-earned cash. Inflation is like a silent robber, making things more expensive over time. Let's say you saved $10 in 2010 to buy a coffee. Today, that same coffee costs nearly double. Your $10 isn't worth what it used to be. An easy way to understand inflation is through our favorite foods. Think of your savings as a pizza, and every year you get a slice. But if the pizza shrinks over time due to inflation, each slice becomes smaller. That's what happens to the buying power of your money. Some folks think inflation only affects the poor or those on fixed incomes. But it impacts everyone. Even if you're making good money, the rising costs of essentials like gas and groceries mean your dollars are worth less. So why does this matter? Let's do some real math. If inflation is at 2% annually, in 10 years, the value of your savings will drop by about 18%. That's like losing nearly 1/5 of your money without even touching it. But there's hope. By investing in assets that can grow faster than inflation, you can beat the silent thief. It's like running faster to keep up with an escalator moving upwards. Remember, while we're talking about some important concepts here, this is general education. It's not personalized financial advice, so always consult a professional for your specific needs. Inflation might be sneaky, but now you know how it operates and the strategies to counteract its effects. Your savings are valuable, so arm yourself with knowledge. Want more insights like this? Subscribe for regular tips on how to protect your money and grow it. We're here to help you stay ahead.